a very special kind of bird, a very lucky kind of bird, the rooster. The rooster is usually the first one up in the morning. Do you know what a rooster is?
What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's it. Good job.
Now I'm gonna warn everybody that this song requires a little bit of participation. I'm gonna be asking for some animals, so if you want to think ahead to animals, because this is the kids' tent, and just because the adults are currently outnumbering the kids does not make you exempt from thinking of animal noises. So, but there's a chorus, and it goes through every time. It goes. Little rooster sang cock-a-doodle-doo-dee doodle-dee 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 doo. Let's all try that.
And the little rooster sings
cock-a-doodle-doo-dee doodle-dee 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 doo. Well, I had a rooster, and the rooster pleased me. I fed my rooster on the blueberry tree. The little rooster sings cock-a-doodle-doo doodle-dee doodle-dee. Okay, now I'll give you the first one. I had a cat, and the cat pleased me. I fed my cat on the greenberry tree. The little cat goes meow, and the little rooster sings cock-a-doodle-doo doodle-dee 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 doo. Catching on? What's an animal? I need an animal. A leopard. What does a leopard say? Rawr. Something like that? Alright. I had a leopard, and the leopard pleased me. I fed my leopard on the greenberry tree. The little leopard went rawr. The little cat went meow. And the little rooster sang cock-a-doodle-doo doodle-dee 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 doo. I had a